Hey guys, what's up? It's Landon Gamer here, / Ultimate Pig, and today we're gonna be playing Zombie Rail. I'm just tired. I ran up the stairs and back like 50 times. Solo. So how do you... Oh, hello. Zombie? Are you a zombie? Zombie! I wanna jump. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, this is just taking forever to land. Okay. So, give me money! Okay. Need a weapon. Run. Go, go, go! Oh no. Please don't hurt me. Please, I'm innocent. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, fine. Play again. Well, guys, this game is fun. It's starting. Oh, punch you. Just jump already. Oh, here's a crate. Oh no, someone's already getting. Oh, I call this one. Oh no. I need a gun. Need a gun. Ah! I'm just hitting a tree. FBI, open up. E. Okay, I need it. I need that. I need. Oh, don't think I got it. I'm so bad at this. Give me a weapon. How do I pick it up? E. Now who's afraid now? Haha, you die. E. 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 Need to go to 5. I need the AK-47. Oh, you're dead. Bye-bye! Fire! Ouch! Play again. That hurt a lot. The match is starting! Jump. This is a weird map. Okay, so where's something I could get? Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Go, go, go. Gunnies. Gunnies. E. E. Fire! That hurt. What just happened to that guy? Okay. Let's go, guys. I see you. Oh, guys, and we're also playing this Zombie Rael since it's almost Halloween. And zombies are part of Halloween. So it's Halloween in 4 days if you're in America. So happy Halloween. Oh, crate. This is the FBI. Yes. Got FBI open up gun. Hello. What's this? Small shield. I think this is a copy from Fortnite. Drink it. Or just do that. Hello, anybody here? Oh, guys, I need to go get a mouse. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I have a mouse. I'm way better with mouses. Yes. Hello. Anybody here? This is the FBI. Okay, there's only 23 people left. I hope I get a win. Oh, the storm. I didn't see that there were storms. No, I got stuck. Oof. This is such a copy from Fortnite. Go, go, go. How much? Okay, I only have 74. Need a med kit. I need to start heading this way. Let's go. Oh, Dolga. Ow, go get him. Oh no, I'm such a noob. If you guys want to see more of this, comment down below. And comment what you want us to. Whoever invented rocks, please sponsor us. Or just me. Or anybody on this here. Oh guys, make sure to go check out Thomas's channel. And then now Thomas's best friend has a channel too. Interact. Medkit. Thumbs down. Oh no, I need. Sorry guys. Just need to go start approaching over. Go, go, go. Move it, soldiers. Okay, what was that noise? Just, I don't care. Go, go, go. No. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. E. Oh my gosh, E. Wow, you die. I only have 20% health left. Medkit. Yes. Full percent health now. Oh. Come out, wherever you are. This one little area. Oh, you could go swimming. Ow. I heard him a lot, at least. Guys, I'm super sorry about that. It's just my allergies. GG, everyone. Free fall. Visors. Oh my gosh. Ow. Get him. Where is he? No. 8% health left. Hide. No, please don't hurt me. Need some ammo. Oh, yes. Yes, I'm power of the Lamborghinis. I need a medkit so bad, actually. What's this guy? Scar. Go. It's a blue scar. Oh gosh, he's taken down. Oh, and guys, I'm super sorry about that. I'm just really sick. What's this? No, that's good. I only have 8% health left. Give me your med kit. Oh my gosh. No, not that. not that. Oh, gosh. Healing, healing, healing. Yay. Oh. Oh. Go. Hide. Oh my gosh. Go back. Squad. How do you jump in? Okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Same if you know, and I'm sick. Guys, we have problems. I misclicked everything, so bye.